Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to use Google Classroom app. First of all, you will need to download the app onto your smartphone or tablet device from your chosen app store. When you first open the app, make sure you log in with your Hub email. Always double check the disk on the top right hand side, which I've highlighted for you, and this will tell you which email account you're signed into Google with. You must be signed in with your Hub account for it to work properly. On the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see I've highlighted 3 lines. Here there are some useful tools to help you on your way. Classes menu at the top of the page is a quick way of finding all your classes in one place. Very simply, tap the class you want to go into the classroom and find the work for that subject. When you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you will find the To-Do menu. This is a handy little tool which puts all your work into one place so you don't have to keep visiting all your different classrooms. Working from home can be a challenge, particularly when families are sharing ICT. With Google Classroom app, you can do the work on paper, take a picture of it on your smartphone and upload it back to the classroom where the teacher will be able to view it.